Welcome to our comparison video where we put the DUMOS ice maker against the SMUG countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise quick and efficient ice production. But which one is the better choice for your home or outdoor activities? Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Both the DUMOS and SMUG ice makers excel in performance, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate makes them ideal for parties and gatherings where ice is needed quickly. Both machines can produce an impressive 26.5 pounds of ice per day, ensuring you have enough ice for all your needs, whether it's for a family gathering or a camping trip. When it comes to design, the DUMOS ice maker features a vibrant mint green color, while the SMUG model sports a sleek, classic black finish. Your choice may depend on your kitchen decor and personal style preferences. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and SMUG ice makers offer excellent features and performance for their price. If you prefer a larger water tank and a quieter operation, the DUMOS might be the better choice. However, if you like a more classic look, the SMUG could be for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.